Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Every great achievement begins with one simple decision to keep moving forward, even when the results aren't immediate. The clock never stops because it understands something that many people forget. Progress isn't measured by how fast you move, but by your commitment to keep moving. Success isn't built in a single day. It's built through consistent action, daily improvement, and the willingness to keep showing up when others quit. The people who create extraordinary lives aren't always the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who stay focused, stay disciplined, and refuse to let temporary setbacks become permanent defeats. Imagine what could happen if every conversation you had created an opportunity, not just to earn today, but to build an income that continues to grow month after month and year after year. At TruPowur, you're not convincing people to spend more money. You're helping homeowners and businesses reduce an expense they already have by shopping competitive energy suppliers, uncovering utility billing errors that could result in refunds, and delivering real savings that make a meaningful difference. When you create value first, success naturally follows. Every customer you help has the potential to become another step toward financial freedom, another stream of recurring residual income, and another brick in the foundation of the life you're building. The clock keeps moving, and so should you. Every day you wait is another day someone else takes the opportunity that could have been yours. But every day you take action moves you one step closer to the future you've always imagined. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. Now is the time to stop settling for less and start creating the future you deserve. Visit TruPowerCareer.com today to discover how you can turn everyday savings into extraordinary income. And we'll see you on the inside.